Alright guys, welcome to Wednesday the 15th. Pretty quick one today. So, in the news going on right now, the first big wave of stimulus checks seem to have arrived. In fact, I and my wife got ours this morning. I used it to help pay off some student loan debts, something that is a good idea for individuals. So econ students, listen up, that find themselves more than able to pay their bills and have stable job prospects. For others, it's a good idea to sock that away for future use, especially if your job situation is relatively tenuous. Fun updates. The United States is now at over 25,000 deaths, which is delightful news considering that, and here's a little bit of government for you guys, / globalism and world history. The WHO, World Health Organization, which is an international global organization that tracks health concerns all across the planet and assists with them. According to the current president, he's decided to halt all U.S. donations in order to keep it going. So as we're in a pandemic that has completely shut down the country, and tens of thousands are dead just in the U.S. alone, the United States has apparently decided to stop providing money to the world's largest organization that studies and treats disease. So, there you go. Alright, for history kids, a fun channel that you guys might want to check out is called Alternate History Hub. This guy's an amateur historian, he's not a professional, but what he does is he takes kind of just the basic regular history, and he then attaches to it what-if scenarios. So he follows logical conclusions. Occasionally he even does illogical conclusions just for the fun of it. So, for instance, one here is, what if Britain never conquered India? Something you guys should remember as one of the main topics in our colonialism unit at the end of semester 1. Now, for my seniors, this isn't really an econ thing. This would be more harkening back to government, but it's a nice video that came out today, suing China, President Trump, and Fox News over the coronavirus. So this is a channel, Legal Eagle, produced by a law professor in Washington, D.C., who is an L.A. SoCal native. And he does all kinds of various things. He reviews the accuracies of movies, he reviews actual cases, and gives his lawyer, law professor opinion. So now he's talking about the idea of who can be sued over the coronavirus in terms of responsibility for action and accurate reporting. So this might be something you guys, again, it harkens back to semester 1 government more than it does econ, but it's something you might want to check out. Now, because I do think that it's worth me sharing ways you guys can entertain yourselves, and I've been sharing a lot of various mobile and PC games. Here's something a little bit different. This is a board game my wife and I have been playing a lot this last month, Terraforming Mars. Now, this one's a little bit intense. It's a 1 to 5 player game, so it's perfect for a family or a medium-sized gathering. It is about a 1.5 to 2 hour game, and it is an age 12, meaning it's a relatively complex game. This is what's called a European-style board game, meaning that rather than relying on luck, it requires strategy. So yes, you do have to have a functional brain to play these games. However, it's won a ton of awards. It's one of the best-selling games of the last couple years, and is excellent if you guys enjoy very strategic-style gameplay. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.